Okay, good day to you, sir. My name is Siti Nurhanis binti Muhammad Jalani, and together with my team member, Jamita, Anushriya, Tivarani, and Lakshmana, we will present our insight on the KTMB's analysis in terms of increasing revenue, customer satisfaction, infrastructure development, and maintenance.
Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad or KTMB is Malaysia's national railway operator, serving the nation since 1985. It runs KTM intercity, commuter, and ETS services, connecting the cities, rural areas, and even Thailand and Singapore. This study looks at KTMB's main challenges: generating revenue, improving customer satisfaction, upgrading infrastructure, and maintaining its assets. Railway transport is fast, eco-friendly, and help reduce traffic and pollution while supporting national growth. However, KTMB faces aging infrastructure, tough competition from road transport, and ongoing service quality issues. The main objective of this study is to analyze the key issues and challenges faced by KTMB. These include four main areas: revenue generation, customer satisfaction, infrastructure development, and maintenance. By focusing on this aspect, we aim to understand KTMB's current situation and explore strategies for improvement. Why railway transportation is so important? Efficient and sustainable. Trains are a great way to move people and goods, saving time and energy compared to other transport options. Reduce traffic emissions. Railway help ease road congestion and lower carbon emission, benefiting the environment. A strong rail network boosts economic growth and connect different regions. Railway is key for transporting goods quickly and efficiently, which help business grow. The study focused on KTMB and the challenger it faces. Aging infrastructure. Many of the existing rail system need upgrades. Competition of road transport. KTM faced tough competition from bus and cars. Service quality issues. Improvement are needed to meet customer expectation. Relevant because it aligns with the 12th Malaysia Plan 2021 to 2025, helping the government meet its goals. It supports policy making and aim to improve service quality for passengers. Thank you.
Firstly, one of the main challenges KTMB face is to increase their revenue. They have been struggling to make a profit for a long time. One reason is because KTMB reduced ticket price for service like KTM commuter. This is done to make the public transport to be more affordable for everyone. However, the income from these low fares is not actually enough to cover their high operating and maintenance costs. So according to Transport Minister Anthony Loke, KTMB is still not profitable and their financial situation is currently being monitored closely. So secondly, in 2024, KTMB had reduced fares by 50% on some routes. This decision was made to compensate passenger for the service delay. Even though this helped the passengers, it actually caused KTMB's revenue to drop even more. Meanwhile, their operating costs remain the same, which worsen their financial performance. Thirdly, another big issue is the lack of transit, which KTMB need more train to meet the increasing number of passengers and to run trains more frequently. However, the cost to buy new train is very high, and this actually has limited their ability to improve services and increase the number of trips. So, to overcome these challenges, KTMB and the government have taken several steps, which is the Malaysian government actually signed a 10.7 billion agreement with China to supply a new modern electric train for KTMB. So, this investment is expected to improve service quality, reduce delay, and attract more passengers. With better train, people may choose to travel by rail more often, which actually may help increase the ticket sales. Secondly, KTMB has planned to increase their track utilization to 80% by the year of 2030. This suggests they want to use the same track to run more trains by improving their scheduling and overall efficiency. So this plan actually will allow them to serve more passengers without having to spend too much on the new infrastructure. Okay, the third is KTMB is also working to increase their non-fare revenue. So this meant by earning income from other sources beside ticket sales, such as renting out spaces in station for shop, putting up advertisement and offering cargo and freight service. So this service usually are more profitable and help support the company overall income. So lastly, the Railway Union of Malaya suggested that KTMB should focus more on the freight service because freight transport usually give a higher return compared to normal passenger service. So this strategy could help KTMB to balance their income by continuing to serve the public. Okay, that's all from me. I will pass this slide to the next person. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Divarani Krishnan. My battery number MC2301 21015. Today I'm going to explain about analyze major issue or challenge that faced by KTMB at customer satisfaction. The low customer satisfaction in train service is firstly frequent delay and service distributions. It caused by the example by Klang Valley Double Track KVDT project, breakdowns and maintenance works like that. KTM commuter lines often experience late arrivals to reduce and also service reliability. Second, overcrowding and limited train frequency. It's because of insufficient number of optional trains and also especially during peak hours. Lead to standing passengers in a cramped coach and also long waiting times. Third is a gain in structure and poor ammunitions. Old train sets and satisfaction facilities reduce comfort and safety. Lack of a real-time communication and outdate animates feature and passengers. This is the main challenges that customer faced. And the effects low of public trust. It's because of passenger perceive KTM as unreliable. And then second effect, decreased ridership. It's because of commuters shift to alternatives and transport. Example like buses and e-hailings like that. And third is negative public image. Negative public image is because of complaints on social media damage brand reputations. And fourth is operational strain. So it's because of overcrowding impacts safety and maintenance schedules and staff morals. Next, KTM's response to improve customer satisfaction. KTMB is focusing on three main areas. First, service and communication. They are launched the KTMB mobile app and upgrade station announcement to give passengers real-time updates and schedules and ticketing access. Second, fleet modernization. RM 10.7 billion investment is bringing in new electric train from China to make service more reliable, to reduce the breakdowns and provide greater comfort to the customers. And third, instructor and facility upgrades. Stations are being refurbished by better cleanliness and security, while on board and amenities like hair conditioning, improved seating, and Wi-Fi are making travel more enjoyable. That's it. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Timothy. I'm going to talk about major challenge faced by KTMB maintenance issues. So one of the biggest issue is aging infrastructure. Many of the KTMB tracks, signals and stations are several decades old, and this makes them more prone to breakdowns and safety concerns. Next, there are delays in maintenance work. This is often caused by financial limitations and project delays, which slow down necessary upgrades and repairs. So a key example in the Klang Valley Double Track KVDT project. This project has been administrative issue, financial obstacles, and frequent contractor changes, all of which have caused long delays. This problem have several negative effects. One is frequent train cancellation and service delays. Second is lower customer certification due to unreliable services, and ultimately a drop in both revenue and ridership of KTMB. So to overcome all these challenges, KTMB has started implementing several ongoing solutions with strong support from the government. Firstly, the Ministry of Transportation has resumed the Klang Valley Double Track KVDT2 project, which was previously delayed. This project is crucial for improving train frequency and reducing delays. Secondly, KTMB is upgrading key infrastructure including stations, signals, and railway tracks. Many of the things are outdated. So now these newer models offer better speed, comfort, and reliability for passengers. Another major step is the shift from reactive maintenance, predictive, and preventative maintenance. This means KTMB is now focusing on fixing issues before they happen, using data and technology to monitor the condition of equipment and infrastructure. With this effort, combining government funding, modern technology, and strategic improvement, KTMB is working to restore public trust and improve overall service reliability. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Anushriya. I will be discussing of one of the major challenges faced by Malaysia National Railway operator Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad or KTMB, infrastructure development. KTMB plays a crucial role in Malaysia's transport and logistic network. However, underdeveloped and outdated infrastructure remains a pressing issue. Despite the government's National Transport Policy 2019 to 2030, which aims to create a more connected and efficient system. One of the most significant obstacles is the outdated single-track system on several routes. For example, the East Coast Line, which connects both industrial and rural communities, is still largely single-tracked and unelectrified. This limits the number of trains that can operate in both directions, leading to delays, congestions, and reduced service frequency. For freight services, this means slower delivery and less reliability, making road transport a more attractive option for many logistic operators. A clear example of KTMB's infrastructure challenge can be seen in the game's Johor Bahru electrified double tracking project. Launched in 2016, the project was intended to increase capacity and improve access to southern economic zones. However, it has faced repeated delays due to land acquisition problems and inefficient program management. These delays hinder KTMB's ability to connect efficiently with major logistic hubs such as Johor Port and the Port of Tanjung Pelepas, both critical for Malaysia's import and export trade. Another major issue is KTMB's aging train fleet and the shortage of freight wagons, especially for intermodal containers and bulk cargo. This limits capacity, reduces turnaround speed, and makes rail less competitive for long haul freight compared to other modes of transport. In summary, KTMB's infrastructure constraint, from single-track routes to delayed upgrade projects and outdated equipment, have a direct impact on Malaysia's freight efficiency. Overcoming these challenges will require not only infrastructure investment but also improved project management and integration with key logistics hubs. So rail can become a truly competitive and reliable backbone of the nation's transport system. Thank you. Hi, KTMB responses. To tackle these issues, KTMB has launched several initiatives. They are upgrading the rail network through electrification and double tracking. For example, the Ipoh Padang Besar project was completed in 2015, and the Games Johor Bahru EDTP is expected to be finished by 2025. This could increase freight share from 5% to 15% by 2030. KTMB is also improving multimodal integration, working with ports and logistic providers. A, a good example is the Padang Besar Cargo Terminal at the Malaysia Thailand border, which speeds up cross border cargo transfers. Finally, KTMB is embracing digitalization using centralized traffic management and real time tracking to improve scheduling and reduce delays. And that's all for my part. Thank you.
KTMB has made progress with initiatives like ETS, digital ticketing, and station upgrades. However, challenges remain in revenue growth, service quality, and infrastructure maintenance. To move forward, KTMB should build stronger partnership with the private sector, use data-driven systems, and invest in workforce training and customer engagement. With the right strategies, KTMB has the potential to become regional leader in sustainable rail transport. Thank you.